Zimbabwe police commissioner shot dead? There are unverified reports that the police commissioner general, Augustine Chiri, has been shot dead. This comes after the Zimbabwe military on Wednesday said they were targeting criminals around Mugabe. Chiri was notable by his absence on the 13th of November when the armed forces warned ZANU-PF of its shenanigans. Before armed forces press conference, there were rumors that the police attempted to arrest General Constantino Chiwenga at the airport on his arrival from China. Meanwhile, the military has taken over ZBC Pockets Hill and has ordered Montrose to take care of all radio broadcasts.